Hello, so on this video I'm going to teach you how to make a wire transfer on the Scotiabank. So please open your Scotiabank application. It should be looking like this, okay? I'm just opening my visual aids right here. Now, as you can see right now, this should be the landing page of your Scotiabank. Please click on this option that says transfer on the second section. After that one, choose the send money internationally. Since this is a wire transfer, choose that one, okay? Next one, send money internationally. Under it, there should be a bank deposit. Make sure this is the one you choose from because there are two options, okay? Next one, after that one, click this. Make sure this radio box or this box is checked out. After clicking that one, you'll be directed on this landing page. Under this one, just choose from where to send it to, and of course, choose which account to send it with. For example, you're gonna get it from a savings account, send it to your friend. Please fill this out. Simply clicking continue right there will be sent then to your friend. You have successfully wire transferred from Scotiabank as of now. Okay? So thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.